OpenClaw gives you full visibility into how OpenClaw is being used across your organization. Let me walk you through what the dashboard shows. At the top, you get the big picture at a glance. The Resources Detected card shows the total number of commands, apps, and domains OpenClaw is interacting with. Next, Total Interactions tracks every tool call made across all users and sessions. And Active Users tells you how many people in your organization are actively using OpenClaw. The Security Posture section is where things get interesting. On the left, you see a risk score, a single number from 0 to 100 that summarizes your organization's security health based on scanner audit findings. In the middle, the severity breakdown shows how many critical, high, medium, low, and informational findings were detected, along with the audit pass rate. On the right, the top findings list highlights the most important security issues. You can click on any finding to see more details, how many times it occurred and how many users are affected. The User Activity section gives you a per-user breakdown, how many tool calls each person made, and what machines they're using. Now let's look at the Apps Overview. This shows you which known applications, like Notes, Obsidian, Docker, are being used alongside OpenClaw. The chart shows relative usage, and the table below lists each detected application with its category and which users have it. Switching to the Commands view, you see every command and application OpenClaw has invoked, with a number of interactions, which users ran them, and you can expand any row to see the actual command history with timestamps. This gives you a full audit trail of what OpenClaw is actually executing. The Domains view tracks every web domain OpenClaw has accessed, both through browsing and API calls. You can see which users triggered each access. Notice the red indicators, these flag sensitive domains where data exposure risks are detected. This is critical for preventing accidental data leaks to external services. Moving to autonomous execution, the Tools in Use card shows which built-in tools OpenClaw is calling, read, write, execute, browser, and more, along with total call counts per tool. Below that, Active Skills lists the specialized capabilities loaded into each OpenClaw instance, like note-taking, weather, or coding skills, and how many users have each skill active. The Infrastructure section shows your AI model configuration, which model is the default, how many fallback providers are configured, and the Bot Info card shows which OpenClaw versions and variants are deployed across your fleet. External Connections shows all active plugins, extensions that add tools, hooks, and CLI commands to OpenClaw, and Channels shows which messaging platforms are connected, like Telegram, along with authentication providers. Finally, the Activity and Persistence section lists any scheduled cron jobs OpenClaw has set up, so you can monitor for persistent autonomous tasks. That's OpenClaw, complete visibility into OpenClaw usage, security posture, and tool inventory across your organization. Deploy the scanner, submit reports, and get instant insight.